Hello, gentlemen. This one is going out to Mom, Pa, and Speck, and Mr. Bird Stick. This is a pretty pot. Got the workings on the edge there. No real effigies or anything on this, but this is my biggest pot. I gotta be careful with this. It's had a tough life. Around here, I'm starting to look like a moonscape, but it's got a couple of dings in there. I usually lay it flat like this, because that stuff is going to give away eventually. It's got some handles on there, and it's got the fingerprint marks, thumbprints in there. There might be some weird stuff in here. Never really looked at it too closely, but it's solid, but I wouldn't want to mess with it too much. Anyway, sorry about that movement. I also wanted to show you. Come on, dog. This is my new funky little microscope. I got had some cards from Best Buy. I got this. Cost me like $12, but I had like $25 or $30 in credits, and it'll take a nice picture. It runs off UBS, and it'll save your pictures and all that, so, or USB, that's what I meant to say. Powered by the USB, sends it straight into the computer, and then you can work with it there, and do what you will with it. But it'll take some good pictures. I think it's 30, magnitude 30 on that, but I can't let you get out of here with just one pot. This pot's for you. This is the paw pipe, or bowl. I gotta get a better system for this stuff. I want to keep this short too, but this is a pot. No hatching on this one like the other one's got the handles on there. You can see The fire burns on this. But you can eat out of this one. I wish it was a pipe. And I'd be in big trouble trying to fill it up, but I gotta get away from using this left hand too. But I've been told. But anyway, that's a pretty good pot. Stands about up to my hand. Probably about 8 inches. 8 inches across the top. Yeah, I told Paul I'd get these out to him, so. But this pot is. Yeah, you throw some venison stew in there. Get you some possum. Throw a little corn in there. Might even be some left in there. Who knows? I don't know nothing. Anyway, guys, I hope that makes this thing plain to you. That other pot is she made 4 or 5 inches wider than this, and a little bit taller. I guess you can hold on for another second. Oh, baby, build up. Here we can compare them. Yeah, kind of about the same width. This is the 4-handle model. This is the 2-handle model. This one is my biggest one, I think. But that is gonna need some work soon, so it's always stored like this. I swear I busted my arm last year. Still got a big plate in there. Yeah, that was a mess. Had the bone sticking out. I was on the side of a cliff. I just had to yell for some people, man, to come, and they were about ready to take me by helicopter, but they felt a little pulse in my finger, so they took me by ambulance. On the way to the hospital in the ambulance, I looked over at it, and I seen this black thing there. I said, "Is that my finger?" He said, "Yeah, that damn thing was pitch black, man. I mean, I never seen anything like that." But hope you guys like these pots. I will be putting a few more on eventually. You know me, I always save the best for last, so happy hunting, guys.